Oh. Arararara. Oh no. Somebody's been catching fish and leaving them out.
Yeah.
And it's been a while. Okay, does Titus want to feed the fish?
Yeah.
Yes, you'd like to feed the fish? The fish are scared today. Yeah, this is not good. The fish are scared. Oh man. Oh well, it's okay. Throw one more in. Good job. Good throw. That's perfect. Good job. Okay, well, the fish are not eating the food, so we're going to play with the water instead. Yeah, this is nice. We can see the fish better on this side. But yeah, you can see there's little foods in the water and they're not eating. They're kind of scared. Because there used to be 5 and 2 died today. So they seem to be a little bit scared maybe. Oh, one's kind of coming slowly. I wonder if he'll come to eat the food. No, not coming. I think he's scared of us. Well, as soon as we walked away, the fish came out. Oh, and there they go. Got scared again going back. We're gonna put this wire fencing back over the pond again. Yeah, you found the food, huh? Yeah. Yeah, the fish are supposed to eat it, but they're not eating it. Yeah, the little food, huh? Can you get... Oh! Okay. Small splash. Okay, we're all done covering the pond. And Titus is going to put 3 more pieces of food in the water. Go ahead, Titus. One. Oh, throw it in the middle. In the middle. There you go. Good job. And one more. Last one. Saigo. Good job. Thank you. And Daddy will pick up. Oh, these 2 are very close. Daddy will pick them up. Do you want to... Oh, look. Look at that one. It got really big. See how much bigger that one is? They stayed in the water a long time. Do you want to throw them again? Throw again. Can you do it? I'm going to throw the big one. Okay, ready? Throw it in the middle. See? In the middle. Can you throw it in the middle? Mannaka ni nagete kudasai. Oh, good job. Last one. Good job. High five. Thumbs up. Good job. Good job.